Hey there, fellow Monzo users. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest banking hacks to make your financial life easier. Today, we're diving into how to increase your Monzo deposit limit in 2025. If you're tired of hitting that pesky limit when depositing cash or transfers, you're in the right place. Let's get straight into it. First off, what's a deposit limit? It's the maximum amount you can deposit into your Monzo account within a specific time frame, like daily or monthly. Monzo sets these for security reasons, but the good news is, you can increase it with a few simple steps. This is especially relevant for 2025, as Monzo has updated their policies to make it even more user-friendly. Step 1. Start by verifying your identity if you haven't already. Head to the Monzo app, go to Settings, and complete any outstanding ID checks. This builds trust and is often the first requirement for limit increases. You'll need things like a valid ID and proof of address. Next, maintain a solid account history. Monzo looks at your activity, so make regular, responsible transactions. Think of it as proving you're a reliable customer. Avoid overdrafts and keep your account in good standing for at least a few months. Step 3. Use the app to request an increase. In the Monzo app, navigate to the Limits section under Security Settings. There, you can submit a request explaining why you need a higher limit, like for business purposes or larger transfers. Be honest and provide any supporting docs if asked. If that doesn't work right away, don't worry. Step 4 is to contact Monzo support directly. Chat with them via the app or email, and they might guide you through additional verification or offer personalized advice. In 2025, Monzo's AI chatbots are even smarter, so expect a quick response. Remember, increasing your limit isn't instant. It could take a few days to a week, depending on your situation. Once approved, you'll enjoy more flexibility for your finances. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.